Well, hello everyone. Hope that everyone is going well and sound. On today's video, I will make a special video concerning an unboxing of a Planescar model. So I just received this box from the Aviation Megastore, which is located near of the airport of Amsterdam, Schiphol, on the Netherlands. So this model is very nice. So I just wanted to buy this model in order to complete my collection of Planescar models. So without any further delay, let's start to open the box with a pair of scissors. Okay, just move to the other side. All right. Let's go to open it. So here we go. The box is open. So let's see what is inside the box. So I'm very happy with the Aviation Megastore packaging because everything is very well packed, you can see. In order to avoid the damage of the plane model. So here you can see the bubbles. In order to protect the model, to avoid any damage during the transport. And there we go. Here you can see the model. So the model is Avianca Colombia McDonnell Douglas MD-83. Alright, here you can see the box of the model. So let's put the model here on the table. On this table to review. Before reviewing the model, let's see what is inside the box. So here you can see the invoice of the model that I have purchased from Aviation Megastore. DPD was the carrier who during the delivery of the model. Alright, okay, let's make a review of the box first. So what is indicated inside it. So this model is not recommended for children's under 14 years old. The model was made in China. Here you can see the specification of the aircraft. So the manufacturer is obviously McDonnell Douglas. Overall length 45 meters, wingspan 32.82 meters, height is 9.02 meters, number of engines 2, and the engine type is a PW, so Pratt & Whitney JT8D-200. Okay. Here you can see the Avianca Colombia logo, and this model is a special model that I have because these aircraft have the 80th anniversary of the company. And here you can see the picture of the aircraft. All right. Here you can see the aircraft from the high. The Colombian flag. Avianca Colombia, and this aircraft was manufactured by JC Wings. Okay. So here you can see MD-83. Okay, mount speed. Okay. Diecast model. This model is in 1/200 scale. Here you can see the Colombian flag. All right. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what is inside the box. All right. We have to open like this. Here we go. You can see the model. Wonderful. Very beautiful. Beautiful model. There we go. Let's remove it carefully to avoid any damage. Alright, there we go. Beautiful model. I'm very happy to get this model on my collection. So let's see the details. So the model is very well detailed. You can see the antennas over and also below. You can see the cockpit, the front landing gear. Alright, the windshield wipers, the window wipers. And here you can see the main door. And there we go, you can see the windows. Avianca Colombia. You can see the left wing. The two emergency doors over the wing. Here you can see the arrows for the emergency. The registration of this aircraft is November 632 Charlie Tango. Okay. And here you can see the engine, the JT8D 200 engines. The tail, you can see Avianca 80th anniversary with the Colombian flag. And yeah, this model is very nice. I'm very happy to get this model. So let's turn the model in front. There we go. So you can see the cockpit. Very nice details. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Let's move to the other side. Wow. Stunning model. Very happy to get this model in my collection. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so let's see on below the aircraft, the details. Beautiful. Very nice. You can see the registration. So I have found some information about this aircraft on the internet. So the first flight of this aircraft was the 11th of July 1989 and was delivered to the company of BWIA, West Indies Airways, with registration 9 Yankee Tango Hotel Victor. And next, in 2001, in March, the 15th of March 2001, this aircraft was delivered to Avianca Colombia with this special livery of the 80th anniversary. And this aircraft was flown with these colors from 2001 and 2003. And then after 2003, this aircraft was the painting of this aircraft was modified with the Alianza Suma's livery. And then in 2006, this aircraft was painted with the livery of the 2000s, as you know. And finally, this aircraft was retired of. The retirement of the Avianca's fleet took place on November 2010 and was stored until 2013, and then this aircraft was scrapped, was destroyed was demolished. Yeah. All right. Okay, so that's all for my video. Hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want, and see you soon. Goodbye.